I've decided to stop waiting for the perfect time to leave my 9 to 5. And the way I want to do this is by investing. That's the plan. Now, the goal is to leave in the next 5 to 10 years, and 10 years is pushing it. I actually did one of those retirement, the retirement calculators. And if I just wanted to earn $50,000 to be able to withdraw that amount in my retirement, I would need to have $900K. $900K in my investment account. Now that's a huge number. And that would make me fall out, because it's something that I basically can't fathom right now. And a lot of people, when they see those numbers, they will not want to even try investing. But my goal is to have my money compound. So the simple way that I'm going to use this is I'm going to earn my money, invest my money, and by automating. This is the simple way I'm going to do it, and I'm going to let it compound over time. Not watch it like I'm watching paint dry, because that could drive you crazy. Not look at the market every day, because every day is a new headline, and every day can make you fearful. The reason I want to leave my 9 to 5 is having a chronic illness. I'm not always able to get up. And I don't know if you or anyone you know has a chronic illness, but it's just crazy some days. It's crazy some months. It's crazy some years. And some days I feel good when I wake up. Some days I don't feel good. Some days I can't sleep. No, it's not because I'm not getting to bed at 8 o'clock at night. It's just some days I just can't sleep. And no matter the diet, the this, the that, my immune system just wants to just go haywire. And there's some days or some months I may just not be well enough to go to work. The 9 to 5 system, when you've done it since your 20s, you get so acclimated to it. I'm not even going to go into that further, but I am going to leave my 9 to 5. In the next 5 years, don't want to even think 10 years, because that's just too long for me. I want you to go along with me on my journey, because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of you women that want to leave like yesterday. The simple fact is that your time is not your own. Like when I wake up in the morning and when I wake up in the mornings and I don't feel well, I still have to have that rigid schedule that I have to get to a certain place by this time. And I don't feel well. I would like slow mornings. I would like to live a life of ease. Like I would like to leave my 9 to 5 in the next 5 years. I'm going to do this by earning, investing, and investing by automating. So if you're along for the journey, just leave me a comment. Subscribe so that you'll get my videos. And let's do this. Talk to you later. Bye.